Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we give you the inside scoop on the latest and greatest products out there. Today, we're looking at the OVENTE Cordless Immersion Hand Blender, model HR981B. This is a sleek, modern tool designed to make your blending experience smoother, easier, and more convenient. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, soups, or salsas, this hand blender promises to deliver high performance with some impressive features. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around and let's take a closer look. The OVENTE Cordless Immersion Hand Blender is all about freedom and convenience. This rechargeable cordless model removes the hassle of tangled cords, giving you the flexibility to blend anywhere. Featuring a USB-C charging port, it's designed for easy charging and quick use. No need to be tethered to a kitchen outlet. Its 200-watt motor powers through ingredients with ease, offering 8 different speed settings to provide precise control for a variety of blending tasks. From smoothies to soups, shakes to salsas, this hand blender promises versatility. But it's not just about performance. The sleek, ergonomic design adds a modern touch to your kitchen, making it an attractive addition to your countertop. When it comes to ease of use, OVENTE has ensured that this hand blender is as simple as it is effective. The one-touch control system gives you full command over the speed settings, allowing you to adjust on the fly. There's also an auto lock function that kicks in after 4 seconds of no use, so you can rest assured knowing the blender won't accidentally turn on while not in use. While you're charging it, an indicator light turns blue to let you know when it's ready to go. For those who value safety, this is a thoughtful addition that adds peace of mind. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. I've spent a few weeks putting this hand blender to the test, blending everything from smoothies to creamy soups. The cordless design is a game changer. No more wrestling with a tangled cord or being confined to a small kitchen space. It blends ingredients effortlessly, and the 8 speed settings let me fine-tune the blending power to suit different textures. Whether I was pureeing hot soup or making a quick protein shake, it handled everything without a hitch. The motor is powerful enough to break down tougher ingredients like frozen fruits, yet it remains quiet enough for casual kitchen use. That said, there are a couple of things that could be improved. The battery life is solid, but not as long-lasting as I had hoped. While the charging time is relatively quick, if you plan to do a lot of heavy blending sessions, you might find yourself needing to recharge sooner than expected. Another small drawback is that the ergonomic design, while stylish, could be a little more comfortable with extended use. I found the handle to be a bit thin, which made it slightly uncomfortable after blending for a while. But these are relatively minor considerations when you look at the bigger picture. So, what's great about the OVENTE Cordless Immersion Hand Blender? It's powerful, versatile, and super convenient. The ability to blend without worrying about cords is a huge plus, especially in a busy kitchen where space and time are often limited. The 8 speed settings offer good control, and the one-touch operation makes it easy to use without fuss. The detachable stainless steel mixing shaft is another win, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Plus, the BPA-free storage case is both functional and compact, so it doesn't take up much space in your kitchen. On the flip side, the product isn't without its flaws. While the battery life is adequate, you might find yourself recharging it more frequently if you're using it for larger or longer tasks. The handle, though ergonomic, could be a bit more comfortable with extended use. These are relatively small concerns, but they're worth mentioning for those who plan to use the blender extensively. When it comes to value for money, the OVENTE Cordless Immersion Hand Blender hits a sweet spot. Priced reasonably for a rechargeable, cordless blender with these features, it offers a lot of bang for your buck. If you're considering alternatives, you'll find similar models in the same price range, but few offer the same combination of portability, speed control, and convenience. For instance, a comparable model from a competitor might cost a little less, but often lack the convenience of a cordless design or the robust 8-beat settings. Overall, the OVENTE stands out in this price range, offering a solid performance-to-cost ratio. Looking at competitors like the Breville or KitchenAid cordless hand blenders, it's clear that the OVENTE holds its own. While some of these competitors may have slightly longer battery life or more refined ergonomics, OVENTE's blend of features, like the 8-speed settings and detachable mixing shaft, make it a great choice for those seeking convenience and versatility. You're not compromising on performance here. You're simply getting a practical, reliable option at a competitive price point. The build quality is what you'd expect from a well-designed product like this. The stainless steel mixing shaft adds durability and a premium feel, and the entire unit feels solid and well-constructed. It's clear that OVENTE has put thought into ensuring this blender lasts and continues to perform well over time. While long-term reliability data is still being gathered, the design and materials used suggest that this hand blender will hold up well with regular use. Now, if you're concerned about customer support, OVENTE offers a solid warranty and responsive customer service. They provide a 1-year warranty, so you can rest assured that you're covered in case of any defects under normal use. OVENTE's customer service reputation in the industry is generally positive, with users often citing helpful and timely responses to inquiries or issues. So to wrap it all up, the OVENTE Cordless Immersion Hand Blender is a solid, reliable choice for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen tasks with a versatile, easy-to-use hand blender. Its cordless design, 8-speed control, and powerful motor make it a standout product in its category. While there are minor drawbacks, such as the handle comfort and battery life, they don't overshadow the overall performance and convenience this blender offers. If you value portability and ease of use, this hand blender is a great addition to your kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you're considering picking up the OVENTE Cordless Immersion Hand Blender, you can find the link in the comments box. Don't forget to leave your thoughts or questions below. I'd love to hear your experiences if you've used it, or if you're still on the fence. Until next time, happy blending, and remember, the best products are always found inside your reviews.